Do you know much about making tax digital?
No, please tell me.
Because I do.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. No. What's happened is that now from April, you got a situation where companies not registered for VAT are now still going to have to be filing accounts quarterly. So that's going to be a massive upheaval for people. And the tax element, where we used to have to file an annual return, it's now going to also start being the year after. It's also going to start quarterly accounts. So it is a massive problem. It's not a massive problem to people that are organised. Sorry, guys, but you're going to have to really get this paperwork thing under control. You've got to remember that sometimes when paperwork's bad, you're not. It's an indication of lots of other problems, and the real upsetting thing is that HMRC don't always differentiate between people who are careless or a bit scatty to people that are actually deliberately committing fraud. It's unpleasant dealing with it, and I've it's not that HMRC inspectors are particularly obnoxious, because they're not, but they are following a routine and they do have to tick boxes, and it makes their life so much more difficult to help you when things aren't bad. I mean, Graham, have you ever had a tax investigation?
No, sir. No.
Really?
No, I don't.
Just bailiffs and police.
Yeah, just the police so far. And the mental health
have you
workers.
Never had bailiffs
obviously.
round?
No, I've never.
I have.
I try to keep
them.
on top of things like that.
I don't. Them.
Yeah.
Thick shits, honestly. I hate them. And it's mostly. I mean, we had one a while ago, and it was just rubbish. I had to pay just to get rid of them. It was a rates bill, business rates, and we didn't even owe it, but just to get rid of them, I paid it, and it took the rates people over a year and a half to refund it to me, and I just got so it wears you down. But it's terrible. This is nothing with lack of paperwork. You know, I mean, I had the paperwork; they're just blank. You know, but I wanted the police to come, but the police wouldn't come, and you know, in the end, I just had to pay it. But in fact, do you see this? That says 0 because they tried it again this year, and then we showed them everything, and now they've had to raise the nil. So, you know, good paperwork. No,
I love that you've just got that there.
I had it there.
That wasn't planned.
No, because it's not that I hate the rates department or the council anyway. I just think if they just took better care in what they're doing, we wouldn't have so many people getting upset about business rates. You know, it's just you don't know whether it's an awful system or people just.
I've worked at the council, man, and it's
what did you do?
It's not. I was on the shared housing team, so I was moving homelessness people, and with almost no effort whatsoever, I was one of the best people in Manchester. Right. Like we're talking about very experienced people, and it's clicking boxes.
Yeah, but they don't do it.
But they do the wrong box, so they put the wrong thing in,
and they don't listen. And it's like years ago. I was with a client, and he was really annoyed. Something with the bailiffs again, with the rates department of rates. He didn't have a premises. He's not been in for 5 years, but they still had him as owning it, renting it. And he actually got a letter. They wrote them a stinking letter, scrumpled it up, and then put big letters pre-scrumpled for your convenience. And I thought that was quite a good. You know,
that is kind of adorable.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. If you want to carry on watching, we've got loads of videos all around us. But if you have more real-world issues and you something you'd like to talk about, do feel free to contact me. Just go to my website, stephenenglander.co.uk, fill in the form, tell me what it is roughly you want to talk about, and I'll be in touch. Thank you.